I did it again. I went short. And everybody knows short selling is for idiots. True, I have been going short a lot lately and not by choice. Again, I keep getting into short positions by overselling my position when I'm getting out of it. Now, if you don't know what short selling is, it's basically where you borrow shares from your broker, which you usually have to pay a fee. And that's also part of the reason I'm upset, because I am paying these fees and I don't even know what fees they are. Luckily, they're not that bad. Charles Schwab has pretty good pricing on borrowing fees, but it does add up. And anyways, you borrow the shares from your broker, and then you basically go into a negative position. And the only way to close that position is to buy back those shares at whatever price the stock is at. Okay, so if you sell high and you buy low, that's where you get your profit. That's short selling. You don't need to overcomplicate it. I am not typically a short seller at all. Okay, I'm always have been long bias, and switching between going long and going short to me seemed hard, because usually as a trader you have a bias. You're either a long bias trader or a short bias trader. I've always been long. Switching between the two, although I think you could do it, I feel like it will split your focus. Okay, so I'm in a little bit of a predicament, and I want to hear what you guys think, because as it is now, I have not found a way to shut off the ability to go short. We've had people in the community reach out to Schwab, and Schwab basically said there's nothing we can do. You just got to be careful not to oversell or sell too many shares, then go into a negative position, aka going short. And that's just something I'm going to have to learn, because I'm usually spamming that button, buy, and sell. And then I usually, with TD Ameritrade, it was not a problem, because it would just reject the order and I wouldn't go short, because TD Ameritrade really didn't let you borrow shares, which was fine. Now I'm also in a predicament because I have been going short by accident. And it again happened today where I went short, and it was actually a great trade. I held the short, and I said I didn't mean to get into the trade. And I said I'm just going to hold it. And so Trading Farmer might be adding in short selling to the way he trades. And it's not even by choice. And it's just, how the universe works. You just little things have thing where it's like I'm accidentally going short. It may turn into, maybe I turn into a huge short seller in the future. Who knows what I'll turn into the future. I've already turned into something I never thought would ever happen. Now here at 25 years old with a receding hairline. And so, maybe I will be going short. What are your thoughts on going short? Is it worth it to attempt to try to do both? Or is that going to just push my focus away from going long? Or is it going to be a great way to supplement the profits from the 50-50? Okay, that's the question. What else? Update on profits on the month. Okay, I'm up 36,000 on the month, and it's been an okay month. I had one day where I snowballed. It was about a $4,000 red day, and so that's dragging on my profits so far. But I can't complain, because this year has been great. We just had, what was the stock that went off in February? A lot of stocks went off. Anyways, that month was great. I mean, I should have been trading all day. And in fact, a lot of traders did trade all day. And you can do that if it's the right market. And that was the right market. Right now, we're in a little bit of a choppy market. Feels like things may be starting to heat up. Let me know what you guys think about that. It feels like things are starting to heat up. And so maybe I don't need to be thinking about going short. Because if the market's super strong and it just low floats keep ripping, then I don't want to be going short. And that's another scary thing too. What happens if I accidentally go short and a stock squeezes and teleports parabolically? And you could lose a lot of money very quickly. And I feel like it's going to happen. I've already been screwed once by going short, but I've also gone short and had a few trades work and made some nice profit. I have to look at what the fees are I need a little bit more transparency on the fees. They do send you a report every day, so I'm able to look. And right now, what I've noticed is with 4 to even 10,000 shares, it appears I'm only paying like $20, in and maybe $20 out. I don't know the exact way they're calculating it, but people have come to me like Twin, I think SC, maybe Blair it was too, and they said actually it wasn't Blair. They said the fees are pretty cheap, and so far they are. Will I be trading short, a ton? Probably not, but it's something that I'm interested in bringing into the strategy. If we can't turn off the short option, if you will, then we're just going to have to accept it and maybe just start utilizing it depending on what the fees start adding up to. They're low right now, according to what I've seen and what people are telling me. Hopefully it doesn't turn into a bait and switch where 6 months from now, all of a sudden going short is cost an arm and a leg. In that case, I got to put extreme focus on not going short. Okay, that's the main point of this video. And so let me know what you guys think about this short thing, and what are you guys doing. Update us with how you're doing in the market. Give us your opinion on what's the strength of the low float market. And if you have nothing else to say, then just give us your age and where you're from, something like that. And that would be a great way to get some community in the comments and getting you guys to get to know each other as well as getting to know me. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I appreciate you watching, and hopefully you learned something. If you did, hit the like button. With that said, I will catch you in the next video. Peace.